Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Indian Bro Code. So today we will learn the data science interview questions and answer for 2021, which was asked in the Turing interview. Turing is the platform where uh, developer can connect with the Silicon Valley company, and they are the bridge between employee and the company. They are the mediator in between that. These are some questions related to the data science interview and answers. Whether you are looking for a data science job or looking for a data scientist for your company, you will find the following data science technical interview questions extremely useful. We encourage you to go through the curated list of data science interview questions below the hope. These are the basic questions. So first they have a intermediate basic data science interview question, that is 26. Intermediate data science interview question, that is in 37, and advanced data science question and answer 38. So when we start from the first question, from the basic one, what is data? What does the term data science mean? So data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, algorithm and system to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. It combines the principles and practice from variety of fields such as mathematics, statistics, computer science, computer engineering and more. The data science life cycles look something like this. First, the problem is defined and data needed for the problem is outlined. After that, the necessary data is collected through various sources. Then the raw data collected is cleaned for inconsistencies and missing values. After that, the data is explored and summary of the insight is collected. The cleansed data is then run through different algorithms such as text mining, recognition pattern, predictive analytics, etc. Finally, the report charts, graphs and other visualization techniques are used to present the results to the business stakeholders. So this is the data science. And second question, is there any difference between data science and data analytics? Data science uses various tools and techniques including data analytics to gather meaningful insights and present them business stakeholder. On the other hand, data analytics is one of the techniques that analyze raw data to determine trends and patterns. These trends and patterns can help guide business in making effective and efficient decisions. Data analytics uses historical and present data to understand current trends, where data science uses predictive analysis to determine future problems and drive innovations. Answering these data science interview questions can distinguish you from the rookies. Third question, mention some techniques used for sampling and their main advantage. Sampling is at core of data science, and hence this data science interview question gives you the opportunity to display your core knowledge. When the data set is very large in size, it is not feasible to conduct analysis on the entire data set. In such cases, it is critical to select a sample from the given population and conduct data analytics on the selected dataset. This requires caution, as a representative sample that represents the true characteristics of the entire population must be selected. The main sampling technique used as per statistical needs are probability sampling such as cluster sampling, random sampling and stratified sampling. Non-probability sampling such as quota sampling, convenience sampling and snowball sampling. Fourth one is outline the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning. So this is an important data science statistics interview question. Let's outline the differences. First one is supervised. Known and labeled dataset used as input. Unlabeled dataset are used as input in unsupervised. In supervised has a feedback mechanism, but in unsupervised does not have any feedback mechanism. In supervised, common algorithm includes decision tree, support vector mechanics, vector machines, and logic regression. For unsupervised, common algorithm include a priori algorithm, k-means clustering, and hierarchical clustering. And for supervised, solve classification regression problem. Unsupervised clustering solve clustering, association, and dimensionality reduction problem. Fifth question, mention the condition for underlifting and overlifting. Underlifting means that The statistical model does not fit the existing data set. Underfitting occurs when less training data is provided. The statistical model in underfitting is extremely weak in identifying the relationship in data and thus unable to identify any underlying trends. Underfitting can ruin the accuracy of the machine learning model. It can be avoided if more data is used and the number of features is reduced by using feature selection. Overlifting. A statistical model is overfitted when lots of data is used to train it. When too much data is used and model learn from the noise and inaccurate data as well, resulting in the inability of the model to categorize the data accurately. Overfitting occurs when parametric and non-linear methods are used. Solution including using a linear algorithm using a parameter and such as maximal depth. Sometimes simple data science interview questions like the above can be catch you off guard. Make sure you are prepared with such questions. Sixth question is what is imbalanced data? So when we talk about imbalanced data, when there is an unequal distribution of data across categories, the data is said to be imbalanced. Imbalanced data produces inaccurate results and model parameter errors. Additionally, when training a model using an imbalanced dataset, the model pay more attention to the highly populated classes and poorly identifies its least populated classes. Which language is more popular for data science? Python is a more popular language for data science, followed by R. This is so because Python provides great functionality for statistics, mathematics, and scientific functions. Further, it offers rich libraries for data science applications. What are the three types of big data? Structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data are the three types of data in big data. What is supervised learning? Supervised learning is a type of machine learning where the algorithm is trained on the labeled dataset, either to classify dataset or predict outcomes. Name 5V for big data. Volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value are the 5 V's for big data. 11 number question is can we process raw data more than once? Raw data can be processed more than once. This is often done to transform the data. 12 number question, what type of database is MongoDB? MongoDB is no SQL database. Means there is no structured kind of thing in MongoDB, so that's why we use no SQL database for that. Data and define enumeration. Enumeration is a process of assigning a numerical value for each member of a set or a group. This can be used to count things or to identify members of group. Why is mice a data manipulation package? Mice a data is mice a data imputation package? Yes, mice is a data imputation package which can be used to fill missing values in data. What is outlier? Outlier are the values that deviate significantly from rest of the data and are sometimes caused by error. Which language does relational database use? Relational database uses a language called SQL, a structured query language, that is useful in manipulating data in database. Which one is better for a text analysis, R or Python? Python would be best suited for text analysis because of its rich library like pandas, numpy, and others. What the p-value greater than 0.5 indicate? A p-value greater than 0.5 indicate that the null hypothesis is more likely true than the alternative hypothesis. Is tuple immutable data structure? Yes, tuple is an immutable data structure, which means that once it's created, it can't be modified. How many expressions does the lambda function have? A lambda function has only one expression. What is NLP? NLP stands for Natural Language Processing, which is a process of extracting information from text data. Define disaggregation of data. Disaggregation of data is the process of breaking down data into smaller, more manageable pieces. How to normalize variables? To normalize variables, you need to standardize the data so that each variable has a mean of 0 and standard deviation of 1. What is deep learning? Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that enables machines to learn from experience and understand the world in terms of hierarchy of a concept. Deep learning can be used to build intelligent systems that can make decisions and prediction based on the data. What is vertical representation of data called? Vertical representation of data is known as column, while the horizontal representation of data is known as row. What is the meaning of question number 26? What is the meaning of K in K-mean algorithm? The K means algorithm stands for numerical for the number of clusters that algorithm will form. K means an unsupervised learning algorithm, but cluster data is K distinct clusters. So these are the basic questions which was asked in the Turing interview questions. So we completed this, and hope we understand that there are so many things from this interview questions. So stay tuned. We will talk about the intermediary questions in the next upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.